What is going on? This is Mike with All About Pressure Washing, and today we're going to be doing a review on the budget soft wash system that I built about 12 months ago. If you want to check out that video, there is a link right here. But before we get into that, please check out the first link in the comment section below if you're ready to get off the truck and take your business to the next level. I'm going to take you step by step through every aspect of my business from A to Z and show you what you need to do to automate, streamline, and scale your business while increasing your profits and working less so you can get off the truck and really focus on growing your business. If you think you're at that point, then there is no time like the present to change your future. Just click that first link below to get updates on the course because it is coming out very soon. So I built this soft wash system about a year ago and it was installed on a different trailer, but we transferred it over to this one, which is running a 10 gallon per minute Honda powered pressure washer, which is a beast. We have a custom built rack that has 2 general pump hose reels mounted to it, but those are about to be replaced because I ordered a couple real deal hose reels from Cody at Southeast Soft Wash. Now that was just a pre-order. There is a link in the description below to his website if you want to check those out. We also have a 28-inch big guy surface cleaner that does a great job. A couple 225 gallon tanks, one for water, one for SH, as well as a small 40 gallon surfactant tank for the 12 volt system. So let's talk about that system. We downstream just about everything. The only time that we ever use the soft wash system is for cleaning roofs and occasionally on really bad stucco. That's just how we've always done it. The 12 volt systems are great for soft washing everything, but we prefer downstreaming. So the Craftsman toolbox held up great. We initially started with a 7 gallon per minute pump, and after that crapped out, I converted over to 5.5 because the guys had said the 7 gallon per minute pumps created a lot more overflow when they're doing the roofs, and that just isn't what we want. So they've been really happy with the change to the 5.5. Of course, we always have a backup just in case something happens out in the field, and that change is quick and easy. In the first video, we had been using these little Ryobi twist nozzles, and they're great, but again, the feedback from the techs was they tend to leak after a couple weeks, so we went back to the J-Rod, which works just fine. The guys seem to be really good at breaking these guns. The male fittings tend to break off in the gun if they're dropped, and I decided to buy some stainless steel cam locks and install them on the gun and on the hose, along with a stainless swivel that just makes things a little bit easier when they're out there washing. Here's a couple links for how to plumb a pressure washing and soft wash system, as well as how we wired up the soft wash pump. Now, onto the proportioner. These things are great. There's a link right here to see how to build your own. There's also a link in the description with all the parts and quantities you need to build yours. I have had to replace one of the control valves, and honestly, I would definitely upgrade to the slightly more expensive valves, but the ones that I've got right here work just fine. The 1/4-inch barb here for the surfactant has broken a few times, so you got to be pretty careful with that and have some extras. I completely reworked the electrical, and right now the pump is connected directly to the pressure washer. Like I said, we use that 90% of the time, and that machine charges the battery, so it's always ready to go. When we had the 12 volt pump connected to its own battery, it would need to be charged every night, and that is a pain in the butt and takes time, and time is money, and I don't want to pay someone to mess with a battery twice a day, every single day. So we're going to change that. The solar charger that we had in the initial video did a pretty good job, but not enough, so we just scrapped it. The current wiring is only temporary because I'm going to steal some tech from the RV world and install a DC to DC battery charger. That's going to fully charge the 12 volt battery for the soft wash through the 7-way trailer connector. Now you can run power to the battery without all of this, but that's not actually going to do much, only about 5 amps. And that's not enough to do it fully. So this thing actually acts like a pump, and it boosts the current from your car battery and the voltage going back to your soft wash battery with a maximum current of about 20 amps. I'll make a video on that install, but there's a link in the store below with all the parts you need to do it yourself. So all in all, the setup works great for what we need it for. If we were out soft washing houses and not downstreaming, I would definitely invest in a professionally built system. And of course, the only company I would trust to build that for me, Southeast Soft Wash, but you knew I was going to say that. Like everything, you learn as you go, and this system was an evolution and will likely continue to evolve as we figure out ways to make it more efficient and more bulletproof. I really hope this video helps someone out there, and I hope that you have a great day.